Namaste, dear friend. Welcome. I hope you may know there is a word called yoga, but you cannot find the word yoga in our ancient Indian dictionary. There is no word like yoga, it exists in India. Actually, it is yoga. There is no any meaning of yoga in our Indian dictionary. There are many meanings of yoga available in our India and Indian dictionary. Dear friend, yoga means to add, unite, union. But what is the meaning of yoga? Nothing. I do agree, dear friend. Right now, in these days, our society, all the Indians, almost everyone already accepted yoga as yoga. When someone talk about yoga, then we understand that that person is talking about yoga. Dear friend, if the word yoga means to add, union or unite, then what are the things it unites? What are the things it adding to each other? The authentic answer almost every Indian knows, that is to add Atma with Paramatma is yoga. But it is the authentic answer. This answer may not be useful for us. So we need the practical answer which we can understand and can implement in our lifestyle. Then what is the practical answer? My dear friend, it unites your body, your breath, your intellect, your understanding, your bliss in one place in this present moment. Let me little bit more clear to you. If you look within, you are the combination of many things. Your body, your mind, your intellect, your energy, your understanding, all these things belongs to you. You can say the combination of all these things is you. So right now, dear friend, all these things which belongs to you, they are running, traveling, going different dimensions and different directions. That's why you are not able to stay in this present moment and not able to look the things, experience the things as it is, whatever it is in this present moment. So what to do? You need to bring all the things and unite them in this present moment. That is yoga. Let me give an example. Look, my dear friend, suppose you are taking your lunch here in this hall. So when you are taking your lunch, then Your body is here in the hall, but your mind is not here. Your mind is thinking about some friend, some business, traveling there, and your energy also divided, because where there is mind, there must be some energy, because energy is the servant of the mind. And because your body is here, body also needs some amount of energy. So energy also here some amount. So your energy divided. Some amount of energy with mind, some amount of energy with your body. Then some other friends of the body, they are with body, and some other friends of the mind, they are with mind. Because of this, there is no peace and bliss. So my dear friend, yoga is a method, helps you to connect your body, mind, energy, understanding, bliss to each other, and help you to stay in this present moment. And after that, you can experience something in this present moment. So it unites your body, your mind, your energy, your understanding to each other. So this is the practical definition of yoga. That's why it is very popular among the present generation. Look, my dear friend, normally during the common lifestyle throughout the day, your mind, body, energy, understanding, bliss, they are separate. They are traveling in their own way, different dimensions, different directions. And yoga helps you to bring them in one platform. How? Look, normally yoga means yoga asanas, physical postures. So whenever you do any kind of yoga asana, your body has to be here and now, your mind has to be here and now, your energy has to be here and now. So at least your body, mind and energy has to be here, understanding the posture and practicing the posture in right way. Otherwise you cannot practice properly. So yoga asana bring your body, energy, mind and your understanding in one place. Then pranayama, also part of yoga. Whenever you do pranayama, then you have to be conscious about your breathing, and breathing is happening in your body. So body, breath, mind, all three are in one direction, one dimension. Meditation, your mind has to be with your body. When you feel your body, when you focus your third eye point, this is also some specific part of your body. So asana, pranayama, meditation are the most important aspects of yoga, and all these three are helping you to come from different dimensions and first unite each other and stay here and now and experience this present moment. And after that, you can go beyond and experience the oneness. That is the ultimate target of yoga. So my dear friend, first thing, there is not a yoga, it is a yoga. And yoga means unite, and it unite your different aspect of your personality right now. So dear friend, I hope you have understood the basic concept of yoga, the practical aspect of yoga. If any question you will have, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for your precious time given over here. Thank you very much. See you soon.